Good day, everyone. This is Student Youth Patrol.
I'm Francis Gonzalez.
And I'm Jana Evangelista. Today is Thursday, January 14, 2010.
These are the headlines of the news for today. College of Engineering Cup Awards on Quiz Show. No demoralization in PNP Revelation. Italian locals attack migrant 9 hurt.
For the showbiz news, Katy Perry, the star singer, is pregnant. And for the sports news, ex-Pacquiao followers say Rhodes hit game.
So please don't change the channel because we will be right back after this.
Hey Brad, what's that? GPU one? Yeah, sure. Here. Huh? Sorry. Bye.
Oh.
GP forever.
And now we're back.
For the local news, College of Engineering Cups Awards on Quiz Show. Roxanne May Valera reporting. Roxanne?
College of Engineering Cups Award on Quiz Show. The said activity was composed of Regional Math Wizard, Regional Quiz Show, Regional Student Conference, and Technical Seminar. All were participated by our NVSU delegates. During the Regional Math Wizard, the NVSU quizzers named Alexander Fernandez, Joe Marceril, Eduardo Ciso, Mark Donald Pablo, Orwell John Quezon with their coaches, Engineer Ronald Hugay and Engineer Alan P. Nebrida, bagged the second place next to DMMSU and got the chance to join the National Wizard to be held at Central College of the Philippines, Quezon City on November 2000. Meanwhile, the mechanical engineer quizzers, namely Philip Marco Dacanay, Rindo Pablo, Joseph Agsunod, Joel Nollares, and Ian Julius Mercado, with their coaches Engineer Dominador Vicente and Engineer Fares Di Corpus, also participated in the Inter-University Quiz Contest sponsored by PSME, Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers. Manila at Lyceum of the Philippines University Mini Theater, August 15, 2008. In this quiz contest, we garnered 4th place with 480 points. NPSU Bambang Campus also got 8th place during the National Quiz Contest for Mechanical Engineers. Last November 6, 2008, at the Technological University of the Philippines.
Thank you, Roxanne.
For the national news, no demoralization in PNP Revelation. Cheryl Shera reporting. Cheryl?
No demoralization in PNP Revelation. Yes, Francis, Daddy replaced Senior Superintendent Jude Santos as the City Police Chief in a revamp that affected almost all key units of the City Police. Daddy said, "We will just follow orders as mandated in our organization, PNP, and whatever positions our superiors assign to us, we will just follow them." Also affected in the revamp are the intelligence, warrant, anti-carnapping, and intelligence divisions and the city's 2 police substations. Daddy, a graduate of the Philippine National Police Academy or PNPA, class 1983, held the positions of Chief of Police of Lawag, San Fernando, and Angeles cities before his assignment to Caloocan.
Cheryl, don't go away because we will be right back after this short commercial break. Kita ganak tulatan.
You're late. Get out.
This is Order Life.
Where are you going? Sit down.
This is Mentos Life. Mentos, the fresh maker life.
Now we're back. For the international news, Italian locals attack migrants 9 hurt. Jake Perez reporting. Jake? Italian local attack. Migrant 9 hurt. Resident of Italian town beat with iron bars, shot at and ran over immigrant on Friday, wounding 9. 2 seriously and second night of racially charged violence. Authorities and reports said the clash in the southern town of Rosarno, which erupted on Thursday during a protest by mainly African farm laborers, had injured 18 policemen and 19 foreigners in 2 days. Authorities Radio Calibra Province said. Back to
Thank you, Jake. And for the showbiz news, Katy Perry, the star singer, is pregnant. Lady Katrina Reyes reporting.
Katy Perry, the star singer, is pregnant. Katy Perry has sent rumors rocketing after hinting she may be expecting a baby with her boyfriend Russell Brand. The hitmaker has been dating Brand since September and is now engaged to the funny man after he proposed on New Year's Eve during a sun-soaked vacation in India. And now, Perez Park reports the pair is set to start a family after posting a cryptic message on social networking site Twitter.com. A source tells Britain's Daily Mirror newspaper, Russell and Katy have fallen head over heels for each other. He has already told us he doesn't want to waste time. We'd be thrilled if they are having babies together. Agents for both Perry and Brad have refused to confirm or deny whether the singer is pregnant. Back to you.
Thank you, lady, for this part news. Ex-Pacquiao followers say Roach Keep. Marjorie Lams is reporting. Marjorie?
Ex-Pacquiao followers say Roach hit him. Los Angeles AFP, one of Manny Pacquiao's former entourage members, is accusing the boxer's trainer of striking him in an attempt to get him to leave their Hollywood training facility. Gregorio Asuncion is suing the Filipino champion's trainer Freddie Roach and the Wild Card Gym Boxing Club in California court. Asuncion alleges that Roach knocked him to the ground as Asuncion was trying to clear out the Hollywood training facility so Pacquiao could train in October 2008. Asuncion told his lawyer Robert H. McNeil during questioning it had to be Roach who hit him because he was the only one behind me. Asuncion said he was notified by another member of Pacquiao's camp to leave the guy, so Pacquiao could begin training session. Asuncion said moments later Roach approached him and allegedly hit him on the shoulders with both fists from behind. Asuncion, 52, testified he was stunned and someone else pushed him out of the gym. According to court documents, Asuncion was taken to a nearby hospital and treated for a neck sprain and a contusion to the head. Roach denies striking Asuncion and says he put his hands on the plaintiff's shoulders in a friendly gesture.
Marjorie, for the weather news, here is Jeffrey Valdez reporting. Jeffrey?
Based on the average of all weather stations in the Philippines, excluding Baguio, the mean annual temperature is 26.6 degrees Celsius. The coolest month fall in January with a mean temperature of 25.5 degrees Celsius, while the warmest month occurs in the May mean temperature of 28.3 degrees Celsius. Thus, the mean annual temperature of Baguio with an elevation of 1,500 meters is 18.3 degrees Celsius. This makes the temperature of Baguio comparable with those in temperate climate, and because of this, it is known as the summer capital of the Philippines, and our weather for today is sunny day.
These are the news that we want to share to all of you.
Once again, this is Student News Patrol, and this is all for today. Thank you.